Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good evening from wherever you are watching. Today, another exciting episode of unboxing. Today, we'll unbox Galaxy. No, not Galaxy. Today, we will unbox Huawei Watch 4 Pro. So, let's start and we will talk in the middle. Okay. So we have our watch here, Galaxy. No, sorry, why I'm saying Galaxy Huawei Watch 4 Pro with brown leather strips. This is the watch which we bought, and we will unbox it today, and we will have a fast user experience that how is the look and feel of this watch. And further ado, we will talk more about some other functionalities of this watch, and I will let you know. Before like a week or two, I posted a video for Galaxy Watch 4 unboxing Pro. I like the watch, but unfortunately I had, due to some personal reason, I didn't go further with this watch. One of the small reason was that it was required frequently charge, that is a day or 2 day I have to charge it, keeping in mind that I was not the heavy user of the watch. It may be the watch malfunction or I had a problem with the charger, but anyway, let's go back to our unboxing of Huawei Watch 4 Pro. Okay, this Watch Pro has a now new variant, which is a space edition. Let me tell you about the pricing. The price of this watch is about 1456 Riyal or 388 US dollar. Note that since this watch is being released and the price has got decreased, and since it has a new variant which is a SpaceX, which is around 2600 Riyal, or in terms of dollar, that will be around 700 US dollar. So let's start and do the unboxing, and we will be discussing about what we are going to do. So let me remove the plastic casing. Bismillah. And before we unplug it, let's do our flipping test. So let's start with the flipping test. Failed. Okay, we had a good flipping test. Let me see if there's any sealant or any lock. No, I couldn't find the lock. Strange. And look at this beauty. Wow. This is a watch. Let me remove my old watch, and we can go with this beastie. So it has a lock here. Perhaps, I don't know what's the reason. And let's see. Okay, not that heavy, but it's look like little bit thick, and it has this front covering. So it's having something written on that. I'm not sure what is it in Chinese, but let's keep it aside and see what else we have with this watch. So here is as usual stuff. We have a manual, and I'm expecting there has to be a charger. Okay, yes, we have our charger, and let's connect our charger. As a usual support, I believe that this watch may not have charge, but we will give it a try anyway. So look at this beauty. Okay, yeah, it's smooth, stainless steel, leather stripes, brown, and let's start it up. Bismillah. Gonna power on by this side or another side, I'm not sure. Let's see. It is 48 millimeter of the front dial, and the watch watch is powering up. Okay, for the Huawei, we need a Huawei app either, which is you can download it from offline. So that app you have to install separately, either by scanning the QR code or you just download it. Since I had already old Huawei watch, so I believe I have a Huawei Health. So let's see. Yes, I have a Huawei Health. I hope it doesn't show any of my personal information. Okay, so we go for devices. The devices is booting up. It has a Harmony OS. I'm not sure which version it may have, but let's see. Nice sound. Let's meanwhile we'll see how it does work. Alright, so let's do the setup. I'll go for English and start it to load up. Use QR code, download it for pair device. I think I have already a device, so I'm not sure. Use QR code. I have already app, but I will scan it anyway to see how it's gonna work. No, it doesn't do anything for me. Let's do it again. Okay, I think you need some time. Seems like nothing happening. It doesn't matter. As I said, I had already Huawei Health app, so I will go directly to my Bluetooth and check. Yes, that's my device, and connect. I'll say you have to do the pairing, accept here and accept here. Now the device is pairing. Remember that you have to have a Huawei Health app. If you did not have it, once you boot up your watch, it will give you a QR code and you can scan it and you download the app. It's not available, perhaps, I'm not sure, but I think it's not available in the Apple Store or Play Store. So, okay, next open Huawei Health to pair. Okay, I'm gonna do Apple Huawei Health app, devices. Come on, is it that has to be that difficult? I don't think so. Let me try again. Sometime scanning these codes could be tricky, so it's just showing me a note anyway. Okay, what I'm supposed to do here? Nothing. I do not see any option. So let's go. Yes, I'm connected. Let me go back again to Huawei Health. Okay, I'm done. Thank you. Would you move out, please? Yeah, my devices. I couldn't find it. Perhaps I have this pop-up. So add a device. Scanning. Yes, connect. Now it's establishing connection with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Please confirm pairing on your wearable device. Pairing. Let's give it a little bit of the time. I did not read what is it, but as a user, I'm just saying next and next and next. Okay. So we have to select enable all enhanced services, location services. Of course, it's need join user experience improvement program. No, I don't want to join. Next, done. Settings. So we have to allow a couple of system settings. So messages from such app, calls, battery life reduced, third party app stop working. Done. Continue. Sync. So it's now syncing my Huawei ID. Let's start and it's being syncing now. Okay, I think there's a new version available, so let me download and update it. Okay, it will need some time, really. I don't remember, so update it anyway. I think it's gonna be quick because I have a quick 5G internet. Syncing watch info. Perhaps transferring may be tricky because the sense is happening through Bluetooth and it's need a while to transfer. Meanwhile, it is being transferred or update. Let's talk about, I have another accessories bought for this watch, which is these steel straps. By the way, I will provide you the link for this watch in Amazon, and also these straps link. If you like, you can buy through my link. So these are two strips. And what's the reason I bought these strips? I think the leather is good, but I think I will prefer the stainless steel stripes. And let's see what this stripe has. I have these two stripes and I bought it from Amazon for almost like 40 real or 10 to 11 US dollar. So let's look at these nice strips. So if sometime you get bored with the same leather strips, so we got to go and change them. The changing will be, I hope so, it has to be easy. Just you twist this and it will be changed. Meanwhile, since our watch is getting charged and our software is going to get update, let's see. Okay, now it's getting some instruction or tutorial just to move the crown to see the different apps, how it's working. I'll press next, configuring watch, and with these stripes. So I will gonna try now. I'm afraid that if I remove the watch from the charger, it's gonna be turned off. There may not be a sufficient charge in the watch, but let's see. So okay, let's back to the story. Why I bought these stripes? There's another version for Huawei Pro which came with the titanium stripes, and the cost for these was almost like 2000 real or 500 real extra, which is almost like more than $100. So I said it's better to I can have a two stripes for the $10. I can save $90 and keep it in my pocket. So just to be cost efficient, so I choose this one and I choose the Huawei Pro. This says that the battery gonna stay for 21 days with the minimal use, but I believe maybe 3 to 4 days will be fine, so that you just use a normal user. If you use it for a normal usage, it's gonna be almost like a week even. So that's a good thing to have, rather than a watch which I have to charge every 2 days or 3 days. I'm not that good with the charging devices and other stuff. So now you see here, okay, we are being asked for permission. Since this is the first, I'm just powering up this device. It's getting my location, and also it shows a nice time. Oh, I think the watch has enough charges. 65% is more than enough for this watch to be. And let's wear it and see how it look and feel on my head. My hand is not that thick, it's average size, but seems like it's little bit bigger on my wrist, and this is one of the benefit to lose weight anyway. So let's see, let's remove this stripe from here. Okay, and this is how the watch look like. They have a different watch faces. You can just click it up and select any watch face you want. Perhaps I say which one, how this looks. Wow. And what about this one? All right. Okay, so this is how it is. It's showing time. I think we're gonna try some more watch faces. Okay, and I think also we can try this stripe later on. I think this will look good with this watch, guys. What do you say, guys? Seems to me nice. And let me try the another one. which is a thick or heavier one, or it's a kind of imitation of the titanium, or it's a traditional. Seems like it's stuck, but I'm gonna get you anyway. So let's get these stripes. Okay, so she's not coming out by hook, then I'm gonna get you out by crook. And let's see how this look like. Seems pretty nice. Yeah, it's worth it, and it's a heavy. So that's whatever we have. My watch still need to be updated. I think still not finished. So as I said, this need a Bluetooth, so it will take some time. Guys, tell me what do you say about this watch. I think this watch is pretty good. I like it, and I'll give you another video after a couple of days or a couple of weeks using this watch. And till then, if you like this watch, I'll provide you a description in this video, and also if you like these stripes, I will also provide the description for this watch. But you have to be smart. If you're buying from Amazon, you just keep it in your cart and wait for it. Sometimes they reduce the price, so be the one who grab it when the prices are reduced. Anyway, that's your total, up to you, whatever you like to do. And this is Talat signing out. Thank you very much, and ciao.